You might have heard it said, you can't sneeze with your eyes open. But is it myth or reality? Let's dive in. Sneezing, it's a protective reflex, our body's way of expelling irritants from our nose or throat. But what about our eyes? Are they in danger of popping out if we sneeze with them open? Fear not, it's a total myth. Our eyes are securely attached to our skull, so they're not going anywhere. But why do we close them then? It's simply another reflex action, nothing more. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming, you can keep your eyes open without fear. But remember, it's still polite to cover your mouth. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world around you.